Walang kahilingan na tinanggihan. Ito ang binigyang diin ni Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, lead counsel ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Kaugnay ito ng mga ulat na nagsasabing tinanggihan ng International Criminal Court o ICC ang umano'y hiling ng kanilang kampo na limitahan ang partisipasyon ng mga biktima ng madugong drug war sa ginagawang investigasyon. Aniya hindi sila nagsumite ng ganitong kahilingan sa ICC, nataliwas din sa mga kumakalat na impormasyon.
Well, this whole thing about the judges rejecting my proposal, that never happened. All that happened was that there were two activist victims representatives by the names of Joel Buttigieg and Cristina Conti, who made all sorts of assertions in the press that I had asked to restrict victims' participation in the process by limiting the ID documents that could be used. That never happened.
Paliwanag ni Attorney Kaufman na walang request na tinanggihan umano ng ICC. Ayon sa kanya, observations lang ang kanilang ginawa, kung saan naunang sinabi ng kampo ng dating Pangulo na dapat hingan ng national ID at passport ang mga biktima para matiyak ang pagkatao nito at upang hindi mahaluhan ng peke.
All I was doing was I was relying on what the Philippine social security system requires for ID to be verified in the Philippines. This was the response that the defense made to the VPRS, which is the internal court unit which is responsible for assessing victims' applications. That's all we did. We made observations. We didn't make a request which was rejected. That's a big lie.
Dagdag ng lead counsel na hindi naman din opisyal pang kinikilala bilang kinatawan ng mga biktima, sina Attorney Joel Buttigieg at Attorney Cristina Conti.
What they don't tell you is that they were not accepted at this present moment in time to be representatives of the victims, rather the OPCV, which is the unit which is dedicated to representing victims at the ICC. So this is not a question of the judges rejecting something that the defense asked for.
Kaugnay ng issue, mayroon nang inilabas ang pre-trial chamber ng International Criminal Court na 20 pahinang kautusan kung saan nagpasya itong tanggapin ang mga dokumentong ipinanukala ng ICC registry bilang pagkakakilanlan ng mga biktima kabilang ang SSS, GSIS at UMID cards, driver's license, postal ID, NBI at police clearance at kahit sedula at baptismal certificate.